Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card levitate. This intriguing phenomenon relies on the invisible forces of magnetism. We'll explore how to harness these forces to create a seemingly impossible floating effect. Get ready to discover the simple, yet powerful science behind making a card defy gravity, using readily available materials and a bit of careful setup. It's a fun and educational project. To begin, you'll need just a few key items. First, acquire 2 powerful neodymium magnets, ideally about 1 inch in diameter, for sufficient strength. Next, choose a very lightweight playing card or a similar piece of thin paper. You'll also need a stable, non-magnetic base, like a small wooden block or a sturdy plastic stand, to support your setup. Finally, have a small piece of double-sided tape ready for assembly. Now, let's assemble your levitation device. First, firmly attach one of your neodymium magnets to the top center of your non-magnetic base using the double-sided tape. Next, place the second magnet onto the center of your chosen card. Crucially, ensure the poles of the 2 magnets are oriented to repel each other. Gently bring the card with its magnet over the base, slowly lowering it until you feel the magnetic repulsion. Adjust for stable levitation. The magic behind this levitation is pure physics, magnetic repulsion. When 2 magnets are brought together with like poles facing, they push each other away. For your card to float, this upward magnetic force must precisely counteract the downward pull of gravity on the card's weight. Achieving stable levitation requires careful balancing of these forces. Experiment with different magnet strengths and card weights to find the optimal setup for a truly impressive floating effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.